Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be doing just a daily cleanup of the kitchen, and then I'm going to be decluttering and cleaning out a cabinet. So for those that don't know, this is my parents' house. This is where I grew up, and my husband and I moved in here to save to buy a house. So this house has 30 years worth of stuff in it that really needs to be cleaned out. If you are a minimalist like me, the clutter is your worst nightmare. If you are a person who loves to declutter, then this would probably be your dream project. But basically, I'm just going through the house and working little by little. But what you're seeing me do right here first is I am just cleaning up, tidying up the kitchen because I felt like I should tidy up the kitchen and clean out the sink, get the dishwasher started before I do like anything major as far as decluttering goes. My least favorite thing to do is probably this right here, which is take dirty dishes from the sink and put them in the dishwasher. I think it's so disgusting. If I could have it my way, the dishwasher would just always be empty and everyone would always be putting their dishes in there, because once a dish has sat in the sink, it just feels so gross to me. Like, I don't want to touch it, but it is what it is. You know, sometimes the dishwasher is full of clean dishes and it hasn't been emptied, and the sink gets full of dirty dishes. So now I'm just going to put away the things that we have in the drying rack. Right after this, I actually had to stop because my baby woke up, so I didn't get to continue the rest until hours later. So this is the cabinet I will be decluttering. This is where we keep all the cups and pitchers, things like that, travel mugs, and we're gonna find some things in here that I know are from when I was a kid. It's actually really funny. I found like sippy cups and some things that are very dated. Like I mentioned before, this is actually 8 hours later, because that is life with an infant. If you have a small child, you probably get it. It's probably better it got split up though, because I don't think I would have been able to do this straight through. When I saw these cups, I knew they were from the 90s because that pattern just screams 1990s. This is the first YouTube video I have made in quite a while, and it is actually the first video I've ever made of this kind. So if you really like cleaning videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. This is everything that was in that cabinet. So now I'm just gonna go through everything and decide what to keep and what to throw out. And anything that we're keeping is going in the dishwasher or going in the sink to get washed later, because who knows how long it's been there. It's all very dusty. I really wanted to start making videos like this because I like watching videos like this. I'm someone who always hated cleaning, but I found that if I watch a video, if I just put it on in the background, I will get so much more done. I filled up, oh, I just spilled all this stuff. So I filled up this recycling thing like 3 times with stuff we're getting rid of. Yeah, that's a lot. So these are just some lids that I think we're going to hold on to and see if we can find the cups they belong to, because I know that they are all pretty good cups. You can also follow me on TikTok at Taryn Sarah, and you can follow me on Instagram at Taryn Sarah Loves. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I see you next time.